friends, happy Tuesday. Today is day 2 of Eichelberger's Spirit Week, and today is School Spirit Day. So I am showing my school spirit by wearing our volleyball tournament shirt, and I hope to see all the ways that you guys show school spirit while you're at home. I know it's a bummer we're not at school, but we are really, really lucky to be a part of Eichelberger, to have our amazing principal, Mr. Harris, and to have just all of the support that we have right now during this hard time. So show your spirit, show your gratitude, and send me some pictures. I can't wait to see it. Today, we are actually going to switch it up a little bit, and we're going to be reading a nonfiction story. We've been reading a lot of fiction stories, and those are stories that are not real. But today, Dr. Suess is going to share with us some real information about our solar system. So here we go. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit our planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you missed them, you'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 9 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury's close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is the 3rd from the sun. It is our planet Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day and it never will stop. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way because we are spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all of the other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of them, objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, you see, is a beautiful blue. If you lived on Pluto, it would not be nice. Some astronomers think it is covered with ice. It is chilly and cold every night and all day, for the sun's just a speck in the sky far away. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. We have seen all 9 planets. Now here's a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say, Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Mitzas just served us 999 pizzas. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Now, here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, and a hunter, Orion. A star in the sky may look small, like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far. That's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star called the sun. From the Earth, it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right in the sun. Your eyes would get hurt, and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1 million of our Earth could all fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first, we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects the sun's light. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go fly back up to the stars and take thing 1 and thing 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. The end.